Yeah.
How much you gonna give me this one for? If I'm gonna buy you this and this.
Woo! Give me 60 for this.
60
and that's a good deal. 80.
86.
Yeah.
140.
Yeah. It ain't no password on that.
¿Tienes de perdido $20? Sí, parece que sí. Dame $20, yo tengo dos. Parece, no sé. O si no te los mando ahorita yo.
So you having a party for her?
Huh?
You having a party for her?
Yeah. We get everything ready.
We keep it nice. The weather, like you
Yeah.
Dile que...
Alright, look, we hit the charger. Alright, there we go.
Take care of it.
Yeah. See, a lot of people, they sell fake stuff out here.
Yeah.
So I try to buy wholesale from different companies. At least you know it's real. You know what I'm saying? It ain't fake. You know what I'm saying? Some people,
I seen the headphones yesterday.
Yeah. I got it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll be crying. I ain't got it, y'all. Right here. The small stuff. See? Give me $350 for that one.
You want 80 for the buds?
Yeah.
Can I send you cash digitally or
Cash out?
Whatever you got? Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get my phone. Let me get the charger. Hey, hold on. I'm gonna put the password. Hey, you can do it in your truck. I got the password. Oh. You never had one of these? Oh man, come on, man. Yeah, it's coming up. Okay, put it so you can see. You might have to open the truck and you can't see. You feel me? So you can see. So you put the password. There you go. That's the charger. You can open these checkers so you know they're original. See, look right there. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Yeah, I buy and sell these. I resell them.
That's what's up,
That shit nice, yeah, and it's original. It's not fake. You feel me?
My homeboy runs the place, so he tells
Oh
me.
yeah.
From you, so.
Oh yeah. So you good?
Appreciate you.
Yeah, bingo, all that shit.
Okay. Hey, what I got cash in?
50. These are the AirPod Pros, and there's the Apple right here. They told me to show you, and you got the Gucci too. What is it? Not Gucci. What's it?
200?
Yeah, for that. No, I'm selling that for 140.
140?
Yeah, look, and that's the Apple.
This one on this one? 140.
Give me 200. I'm selling this for
100?
For that?
100? This one?
Come on, Poppy, no crackhead. Poppy, this is touch screen. Touch screen, touch. I'm selling for 140. ¿Cuánto?
20 pesos, güey. $20.
How would I look like a crackhead? Do I look like I'm a crackhead?
No, it's new,
Poppy, they all buy from me. It's brand new, Poppy. I buy wholesale. Do I look like I'm on crack? Do I do drugs, Pop? Give me my shit. You